Sit or lie down in a comfortable position in a quiet place. Before you begin, make sure you are in a place where you feel completely at ease, free from distractions. Could be in your bed, on the sofa, or even on a soft rug on the floor. If you prefer, place a cushion or blanket to feel cozier. Now find the position that is most comfortable for your body, allowing it to settle naturally. Feel the gentle adjustments your body makes as it finds its own rhythm of comfort. There's no rush. Simply allow yourself to find the exact spot where you can rest peacefully. Close your eyes softly and bring your attention to your body. Without any hurry, let your eyelids close as if they were being caressed by a gentle breeze. Feel the lightness that comes with this gesture, as if the outside world is slowly dissolving, leaving only you and your body. Bring your full attention to your body now. Begin to notice every point of contact where your body touches the ground, the bed, or the chair. Feel the outline of your body being gently supported by the surface you're resting on. Every inch of your body finds rest, being softly held. Feel the contact of your body with the place where you are. Notice how your body rests completely, as if cradled by the surface supporting it. Feel the touch of each part, your feet touching the ground or the soft fabric beneath you, your legs relaxed, comfortably supported. Feel your hips, your back, your shoulders all resting peacefully. If there's any tension, let it dissolve as you become aware of how effortlessly your body is supported. It's as if the earth or the surface beneath you is holding you in a gentle embrace, allowing you to relax even more. Notice the weight of your body and how it is supported. Feel how heavy it is, naturally pulled downward by gravity, as if it's slowly melting into the place where you rest. Each part of your body feels this gentle force holding you down, providing a sense of stability and security. With every exhale, your body becomes a little heavier, sinking deeper into the comfort that surrounds you. There's no effort, just complete surrender to the moment, to the rest you deserve. You are safe and comfortable in this moment. Let this feeling of safety envelop you completely like a soft, cozy blanket. Feel how protected you are in this space, free from any external worries or demands. This is your moment, a time reserved just for you to nourish yourself and rest deeply. Every breath you take reinforces this sense of comfort and peace, as if the world around you is in perfect harmony. You are exactly where you need to be. Now bring your attention to your breath. Without making any effort to alter your breathing, just begin to observe it. Feel the natural flow of air as it enters and leaves your body. The air you breathe is fresh, light, and as it enters your lungs, it brings with it a feeling of renewal. Feel the path the air takes, starting at your nostrils, passing through your throat, and reaching your lungs, gently filling them. Then as you exhale, notice the air leaving, taking away any tension, any worry, leaving your body more relaxed each time. There's no need to control the rhythm, just observe the air coming in and going out. Allow your breath to flow naturally without forcing or adjusting it. Simply observe the calm, steady rhythm, as if your breath were following its own cycle in harmony with your body. With each inhale, you're bringing in a light and fresh breeze. And with each exhale, you're gently releasing any weight or tension you may be carrying. Your breath is like the waves of the sea, coming and going effortlessly, always present, always steady. Notice the feeling of the air passing through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving. Feel the coolness of the air as it touches your nostrils. A flow of life slowly entering. Notice the slight movement of your chest and abdomen expanding as the air fills your lungs. It's a soft, gentle sensation, as if the air is giving you an internal hug, bringing calm with every cycle. When you exhale, feel the soft warmth of the air leaving your body like a signal of release, of letting go. With each exhale, you feel lighter, more relaxed, more at ease. With each exhale, allow your body to relax a little more. Your shoulders and neck are relaxed, your hands and feet becoming heavier. Each time the air leaves, it's as if your body is sinking deeper into comfort, releasing any discomfort or stiffness. Surrender completely to this state of deep relaxation, knowing that with every breath, your body finds more rest, more calm. There's no rush, just a growing relaxation, breath after breath. If thoughts or distractions arise, just observe them without attachment. If at any moment your mind begins to wander or thoughts arise, don't try to push them away or fight against them. Just observe them from a distance, as if you were watching clouds pass by in the sky. There's no need to react, just notice that they are there. Acknowledge these thoughts or sensations, but without judging or attaching to them. They come and go like the ocean waves that form and disappear on the shore. Simply bring your attention back to your breath, to the calm and steady flow of air coming in and going out. When you notice that you've been distracted, gently, without effort, bring your attention back to your anchor point, your breath. Feel again the flow of air coming in and out, as if you're rediscovering the tranquility it brings. Your breath is your guide, always present to help you return to the moment, to the present. No matter how many times your mind wanders, you can always come back to this safe, centered, peaceful place through the simplicity of breathing. You are here now in this moment. You are completely present in this exact moment. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to achieve. All that matters is this moment of peace that you are creating for yourself. Feel how liberating it is to simply be here now with no worries about the past or the future. Just allow your mind and body to harmonize with this instant, with this state of being. This is your time, and you deserve to enjoy every second of it. You are in a special place, far from any distractions, a deserted beach, peaceful and quiet. The sky is clear and calm, and in front of you, you see the vast ocean stretching out to the horizon. Feel your bare feet touching the soft, warm sand. Each grain of sand feels welcoming, gently molding under the weight of your body. The temperature is pleasant, and the gentle sea breeze lightly caresses your skin. Listen to the sound of the waves. They reach the shore with a steady rhythm, coming and going as if they are in harmony with your breath. Pay attention to this sound. Notice the softness, the natural rhythm. As you walk along the beach, notice the color of the ocean in front of you. Feel your feet sink slightly into the sand, which is soft and warm, embracing your steps with each movement you make. With each step, notice the gentle resistance of the sand as if it is welcoming you, making your walk slow and pleasant. As you look up, the first thing you see is the vastness of the ocean stretching as far as your eyes can see. The color of the sea is a mesmerizing blend of blues and greens, starting with a deep blue in the distant parts, almost merging with the sky on the horizon. As the waves approach the shore, shades of green begin to appear, blending with the white foam of the waves kissing the sand. Each hue is unique, and the dance of colors in the water invites your mind to lose itself in its beauty. The deep blue blending with shades of green as it approaches the sand. These shades of blue and green seem to be alive, as if the sea is breathing along with you. Notice how the color changes as the sunlight touches the water, creating a palette of vibrant tones that captivate your attention. The deep blue represents calm and mystery, while the green brings a sense of freshness and renewal. This harmony of colors awakens a sense of peace within you, connecting with the serenity the ocean conveys. The waves, gentle and continuous, break near the shore, and each break brings a soft natural melody, as if the sea is speaking to you, calling you to lose yourself in this moment of tranquility. The sun shines softly, reflecting on the water, creating small points of light that seem to dance on the surface. The sky above is clear, a soft blue, and the sun is at its highest point, but its rays are warm and gentle, not intense. As you observe the ocean, small points of light begin to appear, shimmering on the water's surface. These reflections sparkle like tiny stars, dancing on the waves, moving with the natural flow of the sea. Each sparkle seems to have its own life, appearing and disappearing like a harmonious dance. This vision of twinkling lights makes your eyes relax, as if they are being guided into a state of deep rest. The fresh sea breeze massages your face. Now close your eyes for a moment and feel the gentle breeze coming from the ocean. This breeze is cool and light, caressing your skin with a delicate touch as if it is greeting you kindly. It is like a whisper from the sea, enveloping and calm. This breeze brings a sense of freedom, a lightness that makes all the weight of your body and mind begin to dissolve. With each breath of air that touches your face, you feel the freshness revitalizing your energy while bringing a deep calm. It is light, almost like a caring touch, carrying with it the subtle scent of the ocean, that fresh and invigorating smell, mixed with a slight hint of salt. With your eyes still closed, you begin to notice the scent of the ocean that the breeze carries. It is a fresh, clean smell mixed with the salt of the sea, something that brings memories of tranquility and connection with nature. Feel how this scent fills your nostrils, bringing a sense of renewal. It is as if with each breath, you are bringing a piece of the ocean's vastness inside you. This smell awakens all your senses, connecting you deeply to the environment around you. It is subtle but powerful, and with each new breeze that touches your skin, the scent seems to invigorate your spirit, bringing more clarity and inner peace. Take a deep breath and allow this fresh air to fill your lungs. Now breathe deeply, feeling the fresh air from the ocean gently fill your lungs. Each breath you take is like a balm, filling your body with renewed energy. Feel the fresh air spreading through your body, bringing a sensation of lightness and expansion. As you exhale, feel all the stress and tension being released as if the air is cleansing your mind and body. Each new breath deepens your state of relaxation, taking you even further into the present moment, into the tranquility the ocean offers. Feel the clarity and freshness it brings with it, as if it is purifying every cell in your body. There is a lightness that begins to spread through you, as if this air is cleansing not only your lungs but also your mind and emotions. It is as if with each breath, you are washing away any worries or distractions, leaving only serenity and presence in this moment. With each inhale, you are absorbing the infinite calm of the ocean, and with each exhale, you are letting go of any tension or anxiety. Now find a comfortable place to sit in the sand. Open your eyes slowly and look for a quiet spot in the sand where you can sit comfortably. The sand is warm and welcoming beneath your feet, and you can feel its smooth, slightly grainy texture as you walk. Choose a place near the water, but still far enough so that the waves don't touch your feet. When you sit down, feel the direct contact with the sand, how it gently molds to the shape of your body, embracing you. This place is yours, a space of rest and tranquility. Sit facing the sea, watching the waves come and go. As you settle in, you simply observe the movement of the ocean in front of you. The waves come and go in a steady rhythm, almost hypnotic. There is something deeply calming in just watching this continuous flow. The waves seem to have their own wisdom, moving without haste, following their natural cycle. And this same tranquility begins to reflect within you. As you observe them, feel more connected to nature itself, more at peace with the flow of the world around you. Notice how they move in a constant cycle, without hurry, without effort. Each wave rises gently, gaining strength as it approaches the shore, and then dissolves softly into the sand, only to be followed by another and then another in a cycle that never ends. This movement, always constant, always present, teaches that there is no need to rush, that everything has its time. Just like the waves, you can allow your thoughts to come and go without clinging to them, knowing that they too follow their natural cycle. Feel this tranquility, this lack of urgency. Everything is exactly where it should be. As you continue to observe the sea and feel the sand beneath you, turn your attention to your body. Bring your awareness inward. Feel the contact of the sand under your body, noticing how it gently molds to your shape, offering a comfortable support. Notice the temperature of the sand, perhaps still warm from the sun's heat, providing a welcoming sensation that spreads throughout your being. Feel each point of contact. Your heels sinking slightly, your legs resting effortlessly, your hips relaxed. Your spine is naturally aligned and your shoulders are loose, free from any tension. Your hands may be resting on the sand or gently placed on your abdomen. Feel the lightness of your closed eyelids and the softness of your relaxed facial muscles. This is a moment of complete surrender where you allow the earth to fully support you. Notice how your body is relaxed, how each muscle feels loose and at ease. Start to sense each part of your body from head to toe. Feel your scalp relaxed as if a gentle breeze is caressing your hair. Your eyebrows are at rest, your eyes serene without effort. Your jaw is loose, allowing your lips to part slightly. Move your attention down to your neck, feeling it free of any stiffness. Your shoulders are lowered, away from your ears, and your arms are heavy, resting without any tension. Your hands may be open with fingers gently curled. Feel your chest expanding gently with each breath, and your abdomen rising and falling naturally. Your back is comfortably supported, and each vertebra is aligned without effort. Your hips are loose, your legs heavy and relaxed, and your feet are resting with toes relaxed. Your whole body is in a state of deep tranquility, as if floating on a cloud of peace. Each breath takes you even deeper into this state of peace. With each inhale, you are absorbing positive energy from the environment around you. The calm of the sea, the stability of the earth, the lightness of the air. Feel this influx of tranquility fill your lungs and spread throughout your body. With each exhale, allow any residual tension, worry, or stress to dissolve, being carried away like the waves retreating into the ocean. Notice how your breathing rhythm is harmoniously synchronized with the rhythm of nature around you. Each breath cycle deepens your relaxation, drawing you into an even greater state of serenity. There is nothing to do, nothing to achieve, just being and breathing. You are completely connected to the moment, to the environment around you. Allow all your senses to open to the wonders of this moment. Hear the sound of the waves gently breaking on the shore, each one telling a story of calm and eternity. Perhaps you hear the distant song of seabirds, adding a subtle melody to the natural symphony. Feel the fine texture of the sand between your fingers or toes, noticing each grain, each nuance. Inhale deeply and notice the salty aroma of the sea mixed with the fresh scent of the ocean breeze, perhaps with a hint of coastal vegetation or nearby flowers. Slowly open your eyes if you wish and observe the vibrant colors around you. the endless blue of the sky, the golden glow of the sun reflected on the water, the pure white of clouds lazily drifting by. You are an integral part of this scene, as if you and nature are one. The sound of the waves, the touch of the breeze, the gentle warmth of the sun, all these elements work together to create a profound sense of relaxation. Notice how each element of this environment contributes to your well-being. The rhythmic sound of the waves acts as a lullaby for your mind, calming restless thoughts and bringing focus to the present. The gentle breeze caresses your skin, refreshing and invigorating, as if whispering words of peace and tranquility. The delicate warmth of the sun penetrates your skin, warming not just your body but also your heart, bringing a sense of comfort and safety. Feel how these elements intertwine in perfect harmony, creating a haven of serenity where you can simply be. It's as if nature is taking care of you, providing everything you need to relax deeply. Stay fully present with these sensations. Let your mind release any thoughts of the past or concerns about the future. This is a sacred moment dedicated solely to you. Feel the simple, pure joy of existing, of breathing, of feeling. Allow your awareness to dive deeply into the sensations of the now. Every sound, every scent, every tactile sensation is an invitation to stay present, to explore the richness of this moment. There is no need to rush anything. Give yourself permission to fully enjoy this experience, knowing that this state of peace is always available to you. If thoughts arise, just observe them and let them pass, like the waves that come and go on the shore. Your thoughts are like leaves floating on the surface of a river or like clouds passing in the sky. You notice them, acknowledge their presence, but you don't need to hold on to them or follow them. Just as the waves arrive at the shore and then return to the sea, allow thoughts to enter your mind and then drift away naturally. There is no need to judge these thoughts or engage with them. Simply return your attention to your breath, to the sensations in your body, to the sounds around you. Each time you do this, you strengthen your connection to the present moment and deepen your state of relaxation. Remember, it's perfectly normal for the mind to wander. The power lies in recognizing it and choosing to return to the now as many times as needed. Gradually begin to bring your attention back to the present moment. Let the image of the deserted beach slowly fade away, knowing that you can return to this place whenever you need calm and tranquility. Bring your attention back to your body where you are now, feeling the contact with the surface beneath you. Feel your breath, still calm and deep. Notice the weight of your body, the contact with the ground. Now slowly move your fingers and toes, beginning to awaken your body with gentle movements. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you this sense of peace and presence. Allow this calm to stay with you for the rest of your day or night, knowing that the serenity you found on the deserted beach is always available to you.